Hi there, Charlie Fuller today. And today we're going to be talking about how to overcome the odds of failing at an online business. Now, starting an online business can be really an exciting adventure, but it comes with its own set of challenges and problems. Now, one of the biggest fears entrepreneurs face is the possibility of failure. However, with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome the odds of failing at an online business, and I'm going to tell you how. First, set realistic goals. Start by setting clear, achievable goals for your business. I recommend you start with the end in mind. In other words, what does the business look like after it's successful? Then break down your larger goals into weekly and monthly tasks. And you got to stay focused and you have to stay motivated. And whatever it takes to do that, get it done. Next is marketing research. Conduct thorough marketing research to understand your target audience, competitors, and your industry trends. And this is going to help you identify the opportunities and avoid pitfalls. That's a huge one. Next is create a solid business plan. A well thought out business plan serves as kind of like a roadmap of your business. It should include your business goals, your target market, which is big, your marketing strategies, financial projections, and more. Next, build a strong online presence. So invest in, say, a professional website, a social media presence, or YouTube channel to increase your online visibility and attract customers. Next, offer value to your customers. Focus on providing value to your customers through your products or service or advice. Solve a problem or meet a need that your target audience has. Next, focus on customer service. That's a big one. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Address their concerns promptly and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Next, adapt to changes. This is a huge one. The online business landscape is constantly evolving. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your business strategies to changes in the market. The next one, manage your finances wisely. Keep a close eye on your finances and manage your cash flow effectively. Avoid overspending and look for cost-effective ways to run your business. That's another one. A lot of times with many apps that are available, you can end up spending a lot of money, so you need to be cognizant of that. Next, build a strong support network. This is huge. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and other entrepreneurs who can offer guidance and support. They've been there and done that. Networking can also help you learn from other experiences and avoid mistakes. Now, to help you get off to a quick start, my team has an online course that will walk you through the entire process of setting up a business from A to Z. I'll leave that URL in the description section. The next point is stay persistent and resilient. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. So stay persistent in your pursuing of your goals and be resilient in the face of setbacks or failures. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of success and overcome the odds of failing at an online business. And remember, this is a huge point. Failure is often a stepping stone to success. So don't be discouraged by setbacks. Everybody has them. Learn from them. Adapt and keep moving forward. Big point. Okay, now let me just say, if you found this information valuable and want more tips on building a successful online business, just make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Also, share your experiences in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Charlie Fuller. Thank you.